Hello everyone, welcome to the online class of OpenOffice Writer. So in today Writer second, I'm going to show you that how you can insert the graphic text and art, or how you can insert different kind of pictures from the gallery and from the file into your document. Now to make your document look more attractive, there are different shapes in the drawing toolbar which we have learned in the last video. We also learned that how you can write the text. So today I'm going to show you this font work gallery. You can see on the drawing toolbar at the bottom side I have this font work gallery. I will click here. You can see different font styles are given here. If you like any one of them, if you want to use any one of them, you can just click over here and press OK. Once you will press, it will come to your Word OpenOffice Writer. Now to edit the text as it is written font work, if you want that your name should be displayed or any particular text should be displayed, you need to just double click on it and you will get a cursor over here. You have to do a backspace and then you can write anything. For example, I am writing here computer. Now after writing computer, when you press enter, the text will automatically be changed. You will press enter and give a mouse click, the text will automatically be changed. You can see that computer is written here. With the help of this arrow button, you can stretch the text or you can enlarge the text. Alright, so this is how you can insert the text from this gallery. And if you want that it should be change the color of it, so you have to go again to the font art gallery and you can just change the style of the font, and write the text whatever you like. So it will be written over here and it will be shown to you. Alright, just write the text, click now again leave the text like this, click outside, so it will be written here and it will be shown. You can enlarge the text, you can stretch the text whatever you like. If you want to delete it, just press the delete button from your laptop or from your keyboard. Now moving forward, I want to show you that how you can insert the pictures from the file and from the gallery. To insert the picture from the file, if you want to insert any kind of picture which is present inside your computer, you have to go to choose the insert menu. You can see the insert menu on the top and you have to click on the picture and then from file. Once you press on file, you will get a dialog box like this wherein you have to choose the location where your picture is placed. Now suppose I am clicking on the pictures on the left side and there are some sample pictures over here which I want to click. Suppose I have clicked this penguin picture and have pressed OK. So when I press open, it will come to my this OpenOffice Writer document. You can again stretch the picture, you can enlarge the picture, you have to, if you want to move the picture from one place to another, you have to just press it and drag it from the left mouse click. With the help of left mouse click, you can drag it anywhere, you can place it anywhere. Alright, this is very easy and important function also, you can say, to make your the document look more attractive. You can insert different kind of pictures, you can take the help of font art gallery and you can write these kind of text inside your document. Suppose after this, if you want to write a normal text, you can just press double click anywhere where you want to write the text and then you will be able to write the text. You can see that the cursor is on the top. So for coming downwards, you have to just press enter and you can write any text. Font art gallery. So I have written this text, you can see. So this is how you can just work with this. And let us insert the picture from the, I have inserted it from file, let us insert from the gallery now. So to insert from the gallery, you have to go to the tools menu and then click on the gallery. You can see this is the by default gallery which is present in the software. Here you can find out any kind of pictures. There are options given on the left side. The themes are defined. Suppose you want any picture for the background of your page, you want the picture of computers, you can see here. Just need to click on it and it will be inserted. Just click here and bring it here, just drag and drop. If I want to insert suppose this shape, so I'll just drag and drop here. You can see now you can stretch it and you can enlarge it or stretch it. If you want to arrange all, just need to click and drag it with the help of left mouse click. It can be easy to position the different shapes or images from the gallery or from the file which you have inserted into your Word, this document, OpenOffice document, the word processing document. Alright, so this is how you can work with the inserting objects. Now, so I hope you have understood that how you can insert the pictures from the file and from the gallery, which is already predefined pictures are there inside the OpenOffice Writer software. You can also work with the font art gallery. So this is very easy. Practice these topics at home. If you have any problem, get back to me. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.